Hi there, Rob here again with another Thought of the Day video. I made my first one yesterday and this is video number 2 in this series. Today I want to talk about how to level up your video making and feeling more comfortable making videos of yourself. So I have 3 suggestions for you. The first is watch your video all the way through after you've posted it to YouTube. So you may be tempted to watch your video over and over again while you're editing it before you post it to YouTube, and then once you post it, that might be it. You might then decide to move on to the next video. Well, try to resist doing that. I want you to watch the video all the way through after you've posted it. And the reason for that is suggestion number 2 is to be very critical, super critical of your video. So when you're watching it through, try to find things that you think you can improve on. Maybe there are little things about the way you deliver your message that you want to change, that you wish you had done better. Once it's already posted, obviously you can't take it back. Well, you could delete the video, but you're not going to do that. You want to watch it and try to figure out where you could be better. So that really is suggestion number 3, and that's see where you can improve your video. So I did this. I posted my first Thought of the Day video yesterday, and it was the first time I had ever done a video like this where I'm just talking to the camera without a prepared script at all. And I feel like it wasn't the best video I'd ever seen, but there's really only one way to get better at making these types of videos, and that's just doing them. So the 3 things that I noticed with myself when I watched my videos: number 1, ums and ahs. I have a lot of them when I'm speaking, especially when I don't know what I'm saying and I'm not following a script. So I'm consciously trying to get better at not saying and ah in this video, number 2. And with any luck, by the time I get to my 10th or 15th video, I won't be saying or ah at all. So that's number 1. The second thing I noticed is that the audio sucked in my video. There wasn't that much wind, but my phone was picking up any wind that there was, and it just sounded awful. So I did do some editing in DaVinci Resolve afterwards, and I removed a lot of the wind noise. Not all of it, but most of it. But I think what I'm going to do is look at trying to improve it when I'm making the video. So I've actually done something with this video. I've got a little hack that I put like a windscreen, a microphone windscreen over my iPhone microphone, and I would just want to see if that makes this sound any better. So hopefully it is actually windier today than it was yesterday, so hopefully this will cut down on the wind noise. So that's the second thing I noticed. And the third thing I noticed is that I really wasn't prepared for that video. I was out on the water yesterday and I just decided last minute to make a video. I had some thoughts and I wanted to share them, so I just went for it. But I think with a little bit of preparedness, that would probably go a long way. So with this video, I don't know if you can see this, but I did prepare a little list here. So I think that's probably a smart move from here on in, to have at least something prepared to know what to talk about, and then it should go a lot smoother. So that's all I got today. I will post this shortly, and then I think I'm going to try to do one of these just about every day, unless I'm posting a long form video, in which case I won't have one of these. But let's just see how this goes. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.